Changes at the Oklahoma County Courthouse have some attorneys up in arms. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jamie Soretta.
I'm Andrew Spino. Defense attorneys say they're getting ready to wait in line. They blame DA Wes Lane for changing a 16-year-old policy. And FOX 25's Britton Follett found out the policy changed because of just one case. She has details first on Fox. Britton?
They used to be able to open the folders. Now defense attorneys tell us they can't touch them. And they say it's going to slow down the court system.
Case away.
Oklahoma County prosecutors will hold their files a little tighter, and defense attorneys will stand a little longer.
They still will get the information. It's just they're not going to get it as soon as they would like, I'm sure.
Defense attorneys who headed to court this week say they learned Wes Lane's office has changed its historic open file policy.
Before we looked at their file, we got copies of what we needed, what we were required by law, what they were required by law to give to us, and we got them. We moved down the road.
We went to the District Attorney's Council for some explanation on this policy change. The council says it's up to each of the 27 district attorneys across the state to decide whether they will open their files to defense attorneys, and they can change their mind at any time.
If there is a more liberal policy that's going to be enacted by a district attorney, it's a policy, and that could be by whatever the district attorney chooses for that time frame to be.
Defense attorneys tell us Wes Lane changed the policy because of one case where an undercover police officer's identity became public after an attorney routinely looked through the state's file.
The district attorney's office also has to take a little bit of blame. It shouldn't, something of such measure shouldn't be open in the file in the first place. It should be sealed or kept in a safe place.
Lawyers say that was an isolated case and the entire court system should not be punished.
That's how Mr. Lane's office works. It is, rather than dealing with a particular problem in a professional fashion, they deal with it like a little kid taking their ball off the playground.
People at the courthouse are calling this the Hollingsworth closed file policy, named after the attorney whose case caused the change. We talked to Mr. Hollingsworth. He says the judge and the Bar Association ordered him to reveal the undercover officer's identity to his client. Britton Follett, FOX 25 News.
Well, defense attorneys expect tomorrow's docket to run extra long. They're not sure how the DA's office will handle it. And we tried calling Wes Lane's office several times today. No one returned our calls.